Starting out, I want to make a video about making some finesse worms and some D-bombs for me to use here soon. We're going to start out with about 12 ounces of plastic. We're going to make it green pumpkin. Third shoot. Trying to do this one-handedly. Just press down till you have back pressure. Always fill off the top. And reject all the leftover. Some beautiful green pumpkin bait. See if you can get a good view on them. Give me a second. Shoot number 2. Looking really good. I got 12 of them. I'm gonna do one more shoot. That's about all I need. I'm gonna try to get this one on. I have no mount today, so I have to do all this by hand. Sorry about the angles. Right there's my remelt pile, and the bait's already made, and the new stuff going into the bucket. There is shoot 3. Starting. I'm loving this mold. Look at them. All ready for shaky heads. Spot that went. Thank you guys. I was saying these things are really soft compared to anything else on the market. These things are way softer. The durability on them is probably not the highest because they are so soft, but they are really good baits. I mean, I use them.